excited, guys. Just have a look. This is the new database and it's finally working the way I expected to. So the db update command can alter any package.json across the whole monorepo. So there's the db update. It has a model name. Then it takes the where you want to update filter. That should return a boolean whether or not this item should be updated or not. And then it takes the map function from old to new. And then optionally you can also specify to have a specific operation where you want to apply this, or you can also specify another different project if you want to apply this all in another project. But we're not going to do that. I'm just going to change the scripts from all operations at once, because for a long time we have had these scripts here, minify and minify2, and I don't even use them anymore. I've never used them actually, and I added them accidentally to all package.jsons, so now I want to remove them from all package.jsons. Okay, so what I will do is just say no filter. I want to update everything, and I go from old to new. So now I have to define new scripts, which is gonna be similar to old scripts. Oh, it seems that scripts doesn't exist in package.json because the type interface of package.json is not correct yet. Apparently I never added the scripts. So what is a script? Is simply a object with keys and values which are both strings. And the key is the command name and the value is a string. Right? Yes, that's it. That's a script. So now I have to build this again, restart my compiler, and now I can see that scripts is that. Alright. The thing is, I need to remove a couple keys from this object. Minify. I guess I can do it like this. I'm not sure if it's gonna be 100% fine, but I guess it should be fine. With the delete keyword, it removes a key from an object. Alright, so then I set it to old scripts, and then these keys should be removed. So I set scripts basically to new scripts, and the rest of old is gonna stay the same. So this is what I return. So let me just try it. Let me, by the way, just remove a bunch of nonsense here, worker stuff. I created in JS util, I created a map many function, and it was never compiled. So I didn't remove the consoles yet, but now I did. Alright, so let me build this and run it. There we go. And I have a backup in case it doesn't work. So let's see. Okay, amount updated, 161 items. Alright, it's gone. Okay. Fuck. Alright, it didn't work. All the package.jsons are gone. So I'm gonna restore my backup. I'll try again later. Thanks, bye.